Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove a grille from a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. First thing we have to do, we're going to actually take off the top trim piece. All you have to do is push up on the head of the push pin, pry it up, and then when the head is up, then you just kind of get under it and take it out. One more thing we do have to remove before we lift this top off is the actual latch. It's a T10 ratchet. I'm going to go ahead and take these two bolts out. I'm not going to put them far because I'm going to reattach the latch after I remove this trim piece. So what I'm going to do, after removing these two bolts, I'm going to pull on it. And now we can raise the trim piece. Now I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the latch, because if you do end up closing the hood, it's not going to be very fun opening the hood if you don't have the latch. Next thing I want to take off is these 10mm bolts. Alright, so I think we got everything from the top. Let's move to the sides of the truck. So now what I want to do, I want to actually separate this fender flare, because when you pop this open, when you pop open those clips, there's going to be a one bolt right behind it that we have to loosen to be able to take this panel off. We also have to remove these two torque screws. They are T10 in order to be able to pull this open. So we're going to remove the two torque screws first. It's a T10 socket. That's two. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab the fender flare, and I'm just going to clip a few. There's a bolt right here, so you don't have to unclip the whole thing, just a couple. One. There we go. Now we can squeeze a ratchet in here and remove this bolt. Alright, so you can see there's only 1, 2, 3 clips that I got unclipped in order to get to the bolt, so you don't have to remove a lot. Alright, and we'll remove this bolt that holds this piece here. Alright, so now this is also held on just clips. So now that we loosened everything, you can just grab it by the edges and pull forward. There it is. And there it is. That's how you pop this open. So now we're on the passenger side. We're going to do the same thing. First, two of the T10 torque screws. Now I'm going to go ahead and prop the fender flare up. Now let's go ahead and take out the 7mm bolt. Now that we remove that bolt, we can actually pry this piece open. I'm going to go ahead and pry these two pieces. Pry it down a little bit. And remove the trim piece. So this truck has windshield washer fluid on the front of the camera. So what you want to do, you want to unplug this line. What you do, you squeeze it, and when you squeeze the ends, you can just pull it out. So squeeze and pull. So now I'm on the passenger side. This version is equipped with a camera, so I'm going to go ahead and unplug this harness as well. With this one, you just press on this tab and pull it outward. Pop these tabs up. Just don't clip them from the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and come here. And the last clips on this grille were the ones on the bottom. And this is how you remove a grille on a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Stay tuned for some more videos.